today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the brush stabilizer in Krita for smoother lines. If you've ever drawn a stroke and wished it looked cleaner and less shaky, this quick guide is for you. We'll turn on Krita's built-in stabilizer so your pen lines glide smoothly, whether you're sketching, inking, or lettering. It's simple, fast, and makes a noticeable difference right away. Start by opening Krita on your computer. Once your workspace loads, look toward the upper right area of the interface. You're looking for the Tool Options panel, sometimes called the Tool Options Docker. This panel changes based on the tool you've selected and is where Krita keeps many of the fine-tuning controls for brushes and tools. Make sure you have a brush tool selected so the relevant settings appear. Inside Tool Options, find the section labeled Smoothing or Brush Smoothing. Krita offers several smoothing modes, and the one we want is called Stabilizer. Click the drop-down and switch it to Stabilizer. That's it. Your brush is now using stabilization to help guide your strokes. Here's what that change means. With Stabilizer on, Krita adds a little intelligent delay to your brush stroke. It gently averages out small hand jitters and produces a cleaner, more confident line. You may notice a slight lag between your pen movement and the line appearing. That delay is normal and is the stabilizer doing its job. For line art and precise shapes, this is incredibly helpful. If you're doing fast, expressive painting and want immediate response, you can switch back later, but for controlled inking, the stabilizer is a game changer. Now try a few test strokes on your canvas. Draw a slow curve, then a straight line, and maybe some tight loops. Compare how they feel versus your usual strokes. Most artists notice smoother curves and fewer wobbles right away. If you find the line is trailing a bit more than you like, remember that this slight delay is part of stabilization. As you work, you'll quickly get used to the feel and begin to benefit from the added control. When you're done, just continue drawing as you normally would. The stabilizer setting will stay active for your brush unless you change it. If you later prefer a more immediate response, you can return to the same drop-down and choose a different smoothing mode. That's all you need to enable smoother, cleaner lines in Krita. Enjoy the added control and happy drawing.